What's up everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. In this one, I'm going to show you how I've been making money with meme coins without constantly trading charts in 2026. Instead of chasing pumps, I focus on launching the coins and setting everything up properly from the start. That change has led me to much better results for me. And honestly bro, deving meme coins is way safer and way more profitable than trading in my opinion. And guess what? Deving meme coins is actually untapped. Also, make sure you watch until the end because somewhere in this video I will be announcing a 5 Solana giveaway that anyone can enter. Let's get right into it. Over the past couple of years, while meme coins became more and more popular, I've been focused on deving meme coins instead of trading, and it completely changed my results. This phantom wallet shows the combined profits that me and my friends made from launching tokens. I am making this video to ungeek you the method. Now, there's a reason to why I only dev meme coins and I never touch the charts. That's because every single time I buy a coin, well, 95% of the time, every single time I buy a coin, the coin gets completely dumped on just like this chart. It went to zero after I buy in, for example. I can even go on other charts for examples. This coin completely dumped to zero. Now, guess who makes all the money from these schemes? No, it is not the traders. The traders are the ones losing, but it's the devs. These people are making so much money because all they're doing is capitalizing off of all the attention and they are selling on your head. That's exactly why I highly recommend to start deving, because you will be the one in control. You are the one launching these meme coins. Now that's why I am making this video. I will be doing a full-on guide on how to dev coins, or how to launch your meme coin, how to market it for completely free, get organic traffic, and then cash out. And I will even do a live example to show all of you guys on how it's done, coming from the best. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. And by the way bro, I just want to be clear that anything said in this video is purely for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. I am just here to show you how it's done from a personal dev. Cap! Now most people, when they start thinking about launching a coin, the platform they usually check first is Pump.Fun. Now 98% of all devs are launching here, or I could say around almost everyone. It's the most talked about launchpad, so people assume that it's the best place to start making money when it comes to deving. But that is where people make mistakes. Pump.Fun is completely flooded. Tokens are created non-stop and most of them get no traction and they just flop within minutes. So you were just wasting your time if you were building here. And there's another major drawback. Pump.Fun controls your liquidity pool and they take a share from your creator fees. So from the very beginning, you were giving up ownership of your own launch. Now, look, as a dev, the real main objective is to get your meme coin on the migrate section, because the migrate section is equivalent to Raydium. Basically, when the coin goes into the Raydium DEX and it gets immediately migrated, thousands of people see your coin and there's a bunch of attention that floods into your meme coin if it gets to that point. Now, reaching that point using Pump.Fun takes too long and your coin needs a $45,000 market cap. So there's an external launchpad that you can use to launch your meme coins to Raydium, and that is create Meme.io. Basically every single coin that is launched on here goes to Raydium immediately, and that's why people are gatekeeping this launchpad. Now, to make a meme coin on create Meme.io, you could either create a coin from scratch or use a different method. Now, if you want to create a coin from scratch, well, all you need is a good narrative and a logo for that coin. So I like to go on X, I like to go on Reddit, TikTok, Instagram, anywhere you want, right? And I'd like to look for narratives that went viral or that has attention. After that, I would just make a name, a symbol, and then I would just plunk a logo, and then your coin is live after a couple steps. But me personally, I found more more success in vamping meme coins, and that is in the copy trending coins tab, because all these coins right here on this list are all going viral, they all have a good narrative, and they're all gaining a bunch of attention right now on Pump.Fun, which means it's a big opportunity to copy these coins and launch them back to Raydium to gain a bunch of attention and to back a bunch of buyers on your coin specifically, and you could even surpass the coin that you copied, or you could even go viral on the coin that you copied. That's why I love to copy coins, and I will even do an example to show you guys exactly how it's done. Like I said, we are going to do a full-on tutorial on how to vamp a coin, and then we will see how much we make all in this video. Now look, this will be a before, so if I open my wallet, we are at a $122 report, and we will see after this launch how much we make, okay? So first of all, make sure Phantom White is connected, click on refresh, and look for a coin to vamp or to copy. It's the same thing. I'm gonna copy the... You know what, bro? Fuck it. The Pepe coin. Click copy to Raydium. Wait for Phantom Wallet to show up. Ignore the block, okay? It's normal. Every single launchpad will get this at the beginning. Click on proceed, confirm and understand, and then click on confirm. And then the coin should be created. Just give it a bit of time. And boom, if I go on SoScan, you guys will see that it was minted 10 seconds ago, so it's on chain. You guys can go see the coin if you want, it's up to you, but everything is working. Now it's time to create our liquidity pool. Why is it fucking loading? Now this page is where we create our shortcut to launching your coin directly to Raydium. We are setting up the liquidity pool like that. You will have supply after it's launched, and people will be able to buy your coin live on Raydium. Now for the amount of Pepe coins, click on 90%. That is what I usually do on all my launches. Okay, once you get really good and you have a bunch of profits in your pocket, then you will eventually have to change this strategy up. It's up to you though. Okay, just click on 90%. Right under for the amount of Solana to pair, that is the first initial buy into your own coin, and since you are the dev, you will be exchanging some of your soul for some supply of your own coin. But do not worry about it, bro. Once you cash out at the end, you will get that soul back, so it's not a big deal. I'm gonna put 0.3. You can put anywhere from 0.3 to 2 soul, 1 soul. It's up to you, bro. Just put wherever the fuck you want. You will get this back later. Okay, so it's not a big deal. Click on create pool, wait for Phantom White to show up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm and understand, confirm. After that, bro, when that is done, click on refresh and then scroll down, and bang, bro, the Pepe coin is live and your PNL is going to show up right there. And if you click on refresh, well, as you guys can see, our PNL went up $135 more, which is absolutely fucking nuts, because that means our coin is viral and people are liking our narrative since we copied it. So it went viral before, and now we're just recopying it and just revamping it, and we can see it works clearly right here. Now click on view on Photon, click on view on Axiom, it's up to you. I'm gonna go on Photon though. Let me go on full screen after that, and then the coin should load in a couple of seconds. And as you guys can see, guys, bang, bro, we are already up at a 1.5k market cap. If I had to guess, I think we're up like $200 at the moment in a couple minutes. $45 buy, that is insane. By the way, bro, these are all random people. These are all wallets that I have no fucking affiliation with. These are all organic people who are liking our narrative and then buying in organically. Okay, I did not use any of my following, any of my community, nothing. I just launched this on Raydium and I copied a viral narrative. Now it might be a bit slow, but give your coin some time for it to gain more attention, more traction, and just let it marinate. Okay, do not clip profits right now. Just wait for your coin to fucking get traction. Okay, and yeah, bro, that's exactly why I love deving coins. We made this coin with literally $0, and now people are actually buying in. Like, bro, that's insane. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to pump. Bang, bro, and I'm gonna be right back after a couple minutes after the time lapse. Alright guys, I am back, and wow bro, we farmed a bunch of transactions that should lead into a bunch of profits from the creator fees that we receive on every transaction, and we are pushing 5k in market cap. Let's cash out. Come back to create meme.io and then click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see here bro, 1.8k is what we are going to receive if we cash out now, so let's do it fast. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, wait for a phantom to show up in a couple seconds, bang, ignore the warning, click on proceed, confirm I understand, confirm, and bang bro, that's exactly how you do it. Now look, I have proof. If I open my phantom wallet, bang, 1.8k from this coin bro. We made a quick 21, so profit around there, and now you can just do that over and over again. But do not get me wrong, it's all for educational purposes only. The results may vary. You might make 5k off of the coin, you might make 1k, you might make $200, 50 bucks, even break even, you never know. But that is exactly what makes living so fun bro. You have to stay consistent, launch 10 coins a day, 20 coins a day bro, and just do it over and over again. Anyways bro, like, comment, subscribe, join my Discord, and peace out.